Are you gonna eat your food?
Sing it.
Summer of last year. Just filling my vitamin container like the 92-year-old woman that I am. Are you gonna eat your food? There's no more treats for you, mister. You stole the treat today. Hey guys, it is Monday, June 25th, and I just got out of the gym, and guess who finally built up the courage to record herself at the gym? This girl right here. Except out of like the hour and a half that I was there, I only recorded 2 of the workouts. It's just hard because I go to the gym by myself, so I don't have anybody to record me, and half of the machines are kind of hard to record yourself on. I'm on my way to my parents' house because I have to accompany them to IKEA again. Last time we went, 2 of the things we needed for their closet were sold out. So hopefully it's not sold out now. It was a hot mess.
And bring your brooms because it's a mess.
The whole aisle was just, it looked like somebody just ran through there and destroyed everything. So hopefully they have everything because I just really hate going back and forth to IKEA. So I had to make a pit stop at Walgreens to pick up something that has protein. My parents don't have a refrigerator yet. I don't know if I've mentioned that they just moved into a new house, so they don't have their appliances or anything. So yeah, if I don't eat something after the gym, I'll be like dying. I went in for a complete cookie and they didn't have, so I got these RX bars. I've had these before and they're not the best tasting thing in the world, but they're the only bars that don't have a ton of extra garbage ingredients. This is the chocolate and sea salt one. It's super chewy and it gets stuck all over your teeth, but yeah, it's pretty good. It tastes like a brownie, kind of. A brownie that has been sitting in your pantry for 15 months. I don't know if I should put gas now. Oh my god, I'm gonna choke on this thing. I'm gonna put gas now because then if I wait till later, the gas station is probably gonna be full of people. Walking down the escalators in IKEA and he almost fell with that whole box of things on it. Hi everyone, it's Tuesday, June 26th, and I just finished filming a video, but I'm gonna take a little break. If you guys saw my last weekly vlog, you would have seen that in this area right here, I had ordered an art print and it came in the mail. It's right here, and I got the actual art print on Etsy, but I got it framed on Framebridge. But yeah, let's open this and let's put it on my bench, shall we? So this is what it looks like, and I'm most likely gonna change this right here. I think I'm getting a new diffuser soon, so it's gonna change a little bit, but this is the idea of it. And I ended up choosing a pewter frame because I don't know, I just wanted to switch things up. I am a little tired of doing everything either gold or black, and since this already had a lot of black, I just wanted it to have a pop of something else. I was thinking about layering another piece in front of it, which I might do, and then remove this, but I don't know, I kind of like how it looks on its own because it's a lot, but we shall see. And today I'm kind of stranded here because Roger had to take my car because his car has a flat tire, so he couldn't fix it in time. And he had to work today, so he just took my car. So I am a prisoner. And today I'm wearing my little scarf because I actually washed my hair yesterday, but I decided to experiment with a new oil on my head. And I looked like a cow licked my head this morning. Since I had to film, I had to pick my hair up. I just left the post office. It is Wednesday, June 27th, 4 p.m. And I haven't really checked in today because I've been cleaning the entire day. I'm on my way to Walgreens because I need to get some stuff, and then I'm gonna go back home, shower and get ready because we're having people over tonight. This always happens to me. I leave this little tube in my car of Aquaphor, and every time I go to squeeze it on my lips, I end up pouring way too much of it because it's all melted and disgusting, and then I end up eating it. Ugh, it tastes horrible.
2 shots of vodka.
No.
You are telling her, so let's say you pick up one and it says,
Yeah, sure.
you can say anything but the word.
Okay.
Like our Chihuahua talking about.
It goes like this. This is how it.
Eel.
No.
It's a story. It's a story. The sign is in red. Target. Yes!
He's a gangster.
Al Pacino. Scarface.
Pass. Abo.
The doctor made this guy. He's not even real, but he made
Like
it.
you're saying.
Nancy Drew. Nancy
Living.
Nancy Drew.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Blender. Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Word.
It's a country.
Spanish food.
Steak and eggs.
Seconds.
Country steak and eggs.
Look at me.
Oh my god.
That's easy.
They'll
That's
never
easy.
get that.
Yes, that's easy.
They will
Come
never
on.
get that.
Detective Sherlock Holmes. Hi everyone, it is Saturday, June 30th, and we're currently getting ready to go to a birthday party. Roger's brother's birthday party is today. I'm wearing these overalls. I think they're from summer of last year from Urban Outfitters. They're just like these white linen overalls, super comfortable. And the undershirt is just a crop top from Zaful, my Zara bag, and these really old ASOS strap sandals. And my earrings are just from Hello Baleen. My cuff is from Mejuri. It is a glow-in-the-dark party, so I decided to wear all white. But yeah, I want it to be super comfortable and casual because it's just at their house.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
What's up, beautiful people?
Birthday boy! What are you doing? What is that? So I just finished filming the... Do you mind? Like trying to talk to the camera and he's drinking like a cow. I'm gonna make myself something to eat. Then I have to go to the post office and then start editing Wednesday's video. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been uploading Wednesdays and Sundays. And so far I think it's okay. I'm gonna try to stick to that upload schedule, but sometimes things happen and I can't stick to that schedule. But for the most part, those are the days that I've been uploading, Wednesdays and Sundays. So yeah, I'm gonna eat something because I'm dying. I'm taking a little break from editing right now, and I just wanted to talk about the animal that I raised. I have raised such a selfless animal. I can leave anything around his bed, anything, a pair of shoes, sandals, a purse. He would rather chew on his own bed than like chew on like my clips or like anything that's on the floor that's around him. This is PG, please censor yourself, Dexter. We have bought so many toys for him, and if it's made out of fabric, he'll eat it in like 2 seconds, so I don't get him any fabric toys. And then if it's a chew toy, he loves those, but he hides them and then he forgets where he puts them. I got a diffuser. It is by a company called Vitruvi, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I am so obsessed with this thing. I really love how the light is like a very pretty shade of white. I know that it's super weird, but I just like the way that it looks. So far I really like it. It really does help my house smell very good. So I think that for my vlogs, what I'm gonna do, I don't like to post a vlog every single week. I like to get at least 3 videos in between each vlog. Even though you guys are really liking these vlogs, I don't want to flood my channel with it because I still want to create other content that I really like. These are my favorite videos to film and edit. I just love the fact that I can be myself. Like, not that I'm not myself in other videos, but I feel like sit down videos are so much more formal. So I kind of feel like I have to be a little bit more serious, and it's not like as chill and stuff, you know, but I don't know. So even though it's called a weekly vlog, they are gonna be going up bi-weekly. Look at the squirrel, look at it, look at it. Oh, it's on my roof. She does these rounds where she goes through all of my plants and tries to remember where she put her peanuts. So I don't know where she is right now. The reason I say she is because there's 2 squirrels that visit my backyard, and the reason I know there's 2 of them is because A, I've seen both of them together, and B, there's 1 squirrel that Dexter barks at, and then there's 1 squirrel that he doesn't bark at. So mine and Roger's theory is that he's in love with the female squirrel, and you know, like, love is love. So yeah, I have nothing else to report as of right now. It's Tuesday, July 3rd. I went to Walgreens to get some detergent because I ran out. I have to do laundry today, and yeah, real exciting stuff. Pine Sol. I clean my sofa covers with this. You know what, I think I mentioned, was it in this vlog? Yeah, it's gonna be in this vlog, pretty sure. Don't know what day, but I mentioned these little RX bars. Deodorant, this one, I don't think I've ever tried this one, but I always get the clear gel by Secret. This is the detergent that I use. Thank you very much. I'm gonna give Dexter a bath now that it's hot outside. And I do give him a bath outside because I don't have the type of shower head that you can bring down. Good boy. My other memory card ran out of memory, so couldn't get the whole thing, but this is our current situation. Do you think you have enough blankets? It is Wednesday, July 4th. Happy 4th of July. Even though you guys are gonna see this a lot later than the 4th of July. I just got out of the gym and I'm on my way to a nail appointment, and I don't really have any plans for today, the 4th of July. I'm just really not looking forward to tonight when all the fireworks are going off and Dexter is going to have a panic attack. And of course I'm starving and I don't have anything to eat, but I have to get to my appointment, so.
If you're having fun with me this 4th of July.
I just finished doing my nails. I did like an off-white color. Dexter's scared of the thunder, so I'm making him a fort. He doesn't feel too great about it. No, go down here. Good boy. Yay. No, can you work so hard on this? Ugh. Do you like your fort, buddy? Go inside. Good boy. No. He doesn't like. It's really, really hard to chew. I don't know if I should just film. I think it'll be better if I film. I would ideally like to film.
Got more.
So I'm gonna say bad boy. That's what I was forget.
I'm just trying to comfort you, and this is how you repay me.
A boot.
Gemary, if you do anything with this clip, just put it at the very end, you know, after you wrap up everything, just to wish everybody who saw this a beautiful day. It's a good day every day, that's what I like to say.